Hello everyone, my name is Carter Ingram and I am from Joliet Central High School. This is my orientation to tech class, Rubber Band Dragster project. I hope you enjoy. During the slideshow, we will be talking about the CAD drawings and how I created the wheels in Inventor, the developing the dragster. Also, we will talk about how the whole dragster works. These are the wheels. So we started from a model or like a little sketch, then Then we went into Adventure and then made the holes and then we finally made a wheel. And this is the final result right here. Right now you are seeing the dimension of the drawing of the front and rear wheel for my dragster. I learned what center marks and center lines and how to fill the title block of the dragster and how to adjust the precision of the dimension. That's what you're seeing right here. Here you see Here you see me using the body CAD drawing. To begin the construction, first I use a chop saw to cut a 2x6 piece out of 3/4 stock. After that, I cut out the top view of my CAD drawing, and then I cut the body out, and then I trace with scissors. In this assignment, it is very helpful to know how to read a tape measure because if you mess up some measurements, it can mess up your whole project and how your rubber band dragster works. For the bandsaw and the the axle holes, we used a bandsaw to cut the axles to the right size according to the rubric, and then I found the holes with a ruler. These are my relief cuts. I had to be very precise and had to be very careful with this tool, and this process took a while, but it was a very fun process. These are the top holes of the dragster, and I used a drill to make the holes in the top axle and the flagstaff. We used a little trick on the drill bit. We put tape so we could see how far the drill bit was going in so we can make precise holes. This was very helpful. So first we got a big dowel and then we measured the dowel and cut it into certain measurements, and this is how we got all four of the dowels. I have no pictures for this slide. So for the wheels, I used Inventor to make them, and after we used the 3D printer to print them out, we assembled them to our cars and put rubber bands on them. This is the 3D printer, and these are the wheels. For this step, I painted my dragster. This was pretty easy. The only problem you had to worry about was making a mess and painting the axle holes. It could stop the rotation of the axle, so the car wouldn't be able to spin as well. But the only thing you had to worry about is really making a mess. But this part was very fun. Overall, for this, I just assembled everything and I had to redo the wheel because I did it wrong and the wood got stuck and it wouldn't rotate. But this, it flies, it flies 5 tiles and is very fast. The mods, uh, while assembling my rubber band dragster, I had to redo the axle and the wheels because I pushed the axle too far into the wheel and it could not rotate. So I had to use the bandsaw to recut my axle, and I had to tape measures to make my lines where they are supposed to be. Things I do different. I'd be more careful, and I'd definitely look at the rubric and take my time and look at all the examples. Thank you. Thank you guys for listening to my Rubber Band Dragster slideshow, and thank you for your time. Bye bye.